All right, folks, welcome to another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. In today's episode, we are going to be upgrading the 1994 Toyota MR2 with a backup camera, a live 12-inch 4K rearview mirror from VVCar. It's a 12-inch mirror, kind of like a dash cam, rearview mirror, all-in-one GPS type of thing. All right, guys, on first glance, like, this is some fancy stuff. So these are all the accessories. It looks like this is like a power. It connects to the actual camera. It might be to the reverse camera. This here is the reverse camera. So it's a flat one. Looks like we have a GPS antenna as well. Is the power wire that would go into, I believe, the top section of the camera. Yeah, right here. What I ended up getting is a power, kind of like a power adapter, I guess it says here. So with the mini USB, because this is a mini USB, and I really want to make sure that the cord is long enough to power what I need to power. And the good thing is about this is that it's 11.5 feet long, has a nice front camera. So I really like that this has a front camera. It is you know, one of these like 4K cameras, so I'm really excited on that. I would love to see how it's gonna look. It does have the GPS input. It has the USB port, so this is kind of cool. These pieces here are to tie to the back of your mirror currently. Let's just jump into it and let's get this thing cracking. Hey everybody, say hi to Moon. Hi Moony girl. Hi Moony girl. Now she is huge. I don't remember if you guys, the last time you guys seen her, she was still a little puppy. Now she's about 84 pounds and 11 months, and she's just a German Shepherd. A non-stop energy, just a wild beast. She reminds me, looking at me, she looks like the thing from the Never-Ending Story. That kind of goes way back. I don't know if any of you guys know about that, but Google the Nothing from the Never-Ending Story, and this is what she looks like. But let's get back to this camera, guys. Let's go. All right, folks, what you guys seen me do was go ahead and run the power wire to the rear view mirror from the front, or the frunk, all the way through the firewall. Try to finagle it and hide it in there. I still gotta tack it somewhere so then it doesn't get in the way of the pedals. I ran it right up through here, as you guys can see. Ran it up, right behind the headliner, and the cord is just dangling stealthily right there. We have the GPS sensor here. We're gonna plug that up. That's just one little auxiliary jack. And this here is for the backup camera. So we're gonna have to connect this as well to the camera for the backup camera, and then run the backup camera wires all the way to the back like we did with the Total A6. So since I removed the Total A6 camera, since it was a good camera, but this one seems to be better, we're gonna go ahead and do that so then everything could be on one screen. All right, folks, now that I took the hard part out of everything, I've already wired this whole rear view camera system up. So I got the ground and the power, consistent ground, consistent power, specifically consistent power just because this mirror has a GPS tracking and like accident protection kind of thing going on where it needs consistent power. So if there's impact while the car is sitting still, the impact, everything is recorded basically from there on, the impact on. And what's crazy is that this also has GPS tracking. So with that GPS tracking, it needs consistent power to read the GPS tracker. So that's even another good thing. So I'm super excited to get this thing started. What I'm going to do is have to put the rest of those parts all on, so then we can go ahead and power up this this mirror and check out what we got here. Everything is all plugged up. I did install the rear view camera that it came with. So this rear view camera is not an Ototo camera. I removed the Ototo camera. It's a license plate camera. I'm not a huge fan of license plate cameras. This one is a little bit more stealth and seems pretty chill. I don't like drilling into my bumper, so I didn't. So I just went under and behind it. The license plate's gonna sit there anyway, so it really doesn't matter. But moving forward, guys, let's put these panels on. Let's get this going, so then we could probably go for a ride and see exactly how this thing operates. It'll be really cool just to see how everything goes. So we'll talk a little bit about the features that it does have. So let's get into it, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, so this is the moment of truth. Here goes the actual mirror. The mirror looks phenomenal. I was able to hide all the wires behind the headliner, went down the pillar, went down the side here, was able to disperse the backup camera from here all the way down to the back through the little firewall hole. Everything else ran up into here just because it was the GPS, and I put the GPS down here. I also put the power wire coming from under the power steering out here, to then everything running up here. So I'm kind of excited. I'm really excited to see how this goes. But this camera mirror, I guess, rear view mirror, front camera, GPS track. I mean, this thing is so many different things. I think by far looks so far amazing. But here goes the moment of truth. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the key on, and we'll see how this thing looks. Let's go. We actually still have the film in front of the camera, so we're gonna go ahead and pull this little film off. Now that we're back, I got it adjusted. I did remove the little look at how actually the real life time movement. This is actually really cool. Like, it's really responsive. You can put both front and rear camera on this, so check this out. So this is giving you a preview of what the garage is looking like right now. And this, you can also move up and down. See what options they have here. Oh, this is different languages here. Nope. 60 hertz. I know that's that. English. Perfect. All right, so right here, this has, oh, this, perfect. So this here has a movie mode. I'm going to do 1296. Let's see what else it has here. Clip time, I want 3 minutes. Sound record, yes. This is lane detection warning system. So this lets you know when you're drifting or somebody's drifting into your lane. So we're gonna want that on. This has so many different options. I really want to see it in kind of the live view, live version type style. So let's do that, and let's check it out, guys. All right, folks. So in real life time, I did take it around the block. It was kind of hard to record. I do want to say this thing is amazing. I think this is probably the best camera, rear view mirror, tracking device, front view mirror, GPS, dual way camera. You can actually have for your Toyota MR2, I think, or any car for that matter. I think this thing, and it's so, I mean, so responsive. This thing is just ridiculously responsive. Check this out. This is in real life time, guys. Like, this is just, I can't get over how, look at this. You see, I could adjust this. This is the front camera. Look at this. I could literally adjust it directly to my headlights, and look at how sick this looks. And I could just watch the front of my car. I just, while looking at the miles per hour. I just think this is amazing. While it's recording, I am gonna get another one of these, and I am gonna get it for the V6 just because this one was initially for the V6, and I was like, nah, let's just steal it for the OEM Plus build. So guys, this is the OEM Plus build. This is what we've done so far. We've installed a very advanced rear view mirror. Let's to say the least. I'm gonna go give it a shot and try to record as much as I can at the end for the ending of this video, guys, and let's go.